For too long, Africa has imported what it could build and exported the jobs that come with it. We are changing that. We will not simply import finished vehicles. We will assemble them here and progressively manufacture them here in Kenya by Kenyan workers. This is value addition in its truest form. Every vehicle assembled on Kenyan soil creates Kenyan jobs, builds Kenyan talent, skills, and expertise, and keeps Kenyan value at home. It deepens our manufacturing base, reduces our dependence on imports, and moves us towards a competitive, export-ready automotive sector. Let me illustrate why this matters with an example close here at home. During my recent visit to South Africa earlier this month, we explored ways of boosting trade between our two nations. C.S. Lee was there with me and all the other good people. South Africa sells Kenya close to Kenya shillings 65 billion worth of goods each year, while we sell them barely 6 billion in return. For every single shilling of goods we export to South Africa, we buy 10 shillings for every 1 shilling. But consider what makes up that gap. We send them what we grow: our coffee, our tea, our flowers, our edible oils. And by the way, one of the issues we had to resolve when I was in South Africa was the tariffs that had already been imposed on our agricultural products, including tea and coffee. And I'm very proud that we managed to resolve that issue. And now we can go back to accessing our South African market without the tariffs. Again, that was not a visit in vain. Just for the record. This is precisely why, for them, they send us what they build: motor vehicles, machinery, iron and steel, and finished chemicals. This is precisely why investment in local vehicle assembly matters. When we assemble vehicles here in Kenya and progressively enhance our local content, and finally produce them here in Kenya,